Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about how to download ISO image which is for Ubuntu. Okay, so in Ubuntu we have multiple types of OS. Okay, so we have a desktop image. Okay, then we have server. In desktop we have a good GUI interface. Okay, in server we have CLI. Okay, and we have others too, but we are concentrating only on these two things. Okay, so desktop and server. So in this video we'll see how to download the desktop version of Ubuntu ISO image. Okay, we'll see, and in the next video we'll see how to install it on VirtualBox. Okay, fine. So let's search for Ubuntu. Okay, so you could see that Ubuntu Enterprise Open Source on Linux. Click on it and you could see download Ubuntu option here. So download Ubuntu desktop. Okay, so here as I said before, we have different options. Just for desktop we have a GUI interface and we have different version 24, 25, right? And we have, if we are going for the server, we can just go ahead and click on here, which is 3 GB. Okay, here you didn't have a GUI interface, it's completely based on CLI. Okay, apart from that we have others too, but we're concentrating only on Ubuntu desktop and server. Okay, so we're just downloading this stable version of Ubuntu, okay, which is 5.9 GB. Okay, click on download. Fine, so within a second it's gonna get download. Click on save. Okay, so according to your network speed it's gonna get download. Okay, might be my network now it's a little low, so that it's giving me like this. Okay, so if you wanted to download the Ubuntu server, click on here and you can click on download. Okay, give it a second. Okay, now you could see live server. Okay, save. So it is for desktop and this is for server. Fine, see you in the next video.